Hi guys, Sarah here. I feel like it's been a long time no see, so hi. I want to do a video I haven't done before, and that is just a quick show off of my fidget toys. 3 solid fidgets that I've been using, or I've been using some toys to fidget with, and then some new ones that I bought. So, I talk a lot with my hands, and sometimes you can't really, it's a mind thing, so you gotta have something to be touching all the time, or it's a sensory thing. So, if you are not a fidget person, you can, go watch something else. That's totally fine. But we are fidget people over here, at least in this video, so let's do it. This is a little toy slinky. It's plastic, and it's super tiny. And I've had this for many years, actually. This I've had to play with before I even knew what a fidget toy was. I used to always have the big slinky, and I have one somewhere in my room. But this little guy is just small enough where I can, move it in between fingers and just, fidget with it. And I believe that this came out of a piñata at a children's party. So, I've had this one for quite a while. But good old Mr. Green Slinky, he's a bit broken. I broke one of his rings there, but it still works. I thought I lost him a few months back, but I found him, so thank goodness. But yeah, I'll probably play with him until he dies. So that's fidget toy number 1, a good old green little plastic slinky. Fidget toy number 2 is the good old Fidget Cube. I don't know if there's a graceful way to show you that, but you can move it into many different shapes. You can just keep going and going and going. And not all of my fidget things are green, but I seem to have collected a bit of green. But yeah, this is the Infinity Cube. It keeps going and going and never stops. Okay, my next fidget thing is a fidget spinner. That's a little mini green dude. Short, simple, sweet, to the point. You just do that. And you can go like that. And watch him just spin all day long. Looks like a little green UFO on here, right? Now, I had the Slinky for years, but I got these like 6 months ago or so. What is it, April? Like 8 months ago. So, okay. On to my new guys. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new ones. So, I got this guy. That smells like alcohol. It smells very much like alcohol. So, hopefully that smell goes away. But, it just is a neon green and yellow squeeze ball. And this is my first time using it too. So that's pretty nice. I like the texture. I could get into that. But yeah, it's a green and yellow squeezy ball. Yeah, I think I like that one. Hopefully the alcohol smell goes away. Alright, next up I got this guy. And he also seriously smells of, well, no, he smells like burnt rubber. Or that, stop smelling it. That like rubber cement stuff. And he seems to be dirty. Great. Guess I'll be washing all of these. And he's sticky. Why is he sticky? Is he supposed to be sticky? I don't think he's supposed to be sticky. Okay, well, yeah, he's sticky. Ugh. Alright. Kind of wish I opened him last. But he's, a little jellyfish octopus dude. I don't know. Oh, he lights up. Forgot about that. Oh, there's no... He lights up. Now that's probably why I bought it. Okay. Gotta give him a good old smack, I guess. Jeez. Now that's got a good sound to it. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's a couple miscellaneous little balls that are coming out. I don't know if you can see those. Yeah, you can see those. Oh, no. He better not be broken already. Oh. Well. Let's move on before I do break him completely. Yeah, there's little balls everywhere. Great. Well, this might have been the first and only time I get to use that one. Okay, let's move on. Alright, so I have this one. Now, as a child, I remember having one of these, but I don't remember what they called them. But now they call them a crazy track or something. Yeah, a crazy track. Oh, and this guy is apparently a an octopus stress ball light up with foam beads. Well, he might be broken. Okay, yeah, here's a crazy track. You can put them together. And pull them apart. Make a little heart. Or, you know, just move it all around. Make little glasses. You know, whatever you feel like doing. There's no judgment here as to however you fidget. All fidgeters are welcome. So yeah, short and sweet, to the point. There is a crazy track, which has definitely been around since I've been a kid, but they called it something different. All right. Next, I have this guy. And this has a keychain attachment to it. Don't know if I'll use that or not, but this guy is just a pink and blue poppet. Pink and blue dimple keychain, glow in the dark. Now, if you're not new, you know that anything glow in the dark and anything black light, I'm obsessed with. So, yeah, you just do that. And this is a good fidget for anyone who likes to incessantly pop bubble wrap. So if you're a bubble wrapper, not a mumble wrapper, but a bubble wrapper, then you may want to get one of these. But this one glows in the dark. Or at least I hope it does. So, alright. I'll open these last two at the same time because they basically are one and the same. These are jumbo bike chain fidget and bike chain fidget. And this one is rainbow, or blue, yellow, red. I'm not sure if I like this one or not. Alright. Ooh, I like the bigger one. Yeah, here's how he looks. I like how he looks. That's pretty good. Alright. I'm not even looking at the camera. Just watching the fidget. I'm not sure about this one. I'm really not sure about this one. I like the colors, but I don't know. Alright. Well, I'm going to get back to fidgeting, but I wanted to just show you my my new fidgets that I got. Okay, well, either way, so I just wanted to show you the new ones that I got in and show you my tried and true guys here. And I will let you guys go. I'm gonna go continue to fidget, and I will see you guys later. Bye!